Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make personalized affirmations. This is one of my Monday Heal Day rituals. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I do Monday Heal Days. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram down below. I will do this once a week unless I feel like the affirmations still resonate with me. Sometimes you surprise yourself and you come out with some really good ones that stick around for a while and even become permanent. The process is honestly pretty simple. Actually, it's simple as hell. First, let me take my bag off. Let me get freaking comfortable. I just went through it anyways. This is like a 3-step, 2.5-step process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a notebook, a piece of paper or whatever, and you want to make a list of 10 things. It can be more, but try to get at least 10 things that are kind of on your mind at the moment, bothering you or making you feel a certain type of way. So for example, the way I start some of my sentences when I do this is, why am I this? I feel bad for, I fear that, I am ready for, but it scares me that, I can be, it bothers me that. So you want to make at least 10 bullet points of things that are just on your consciousness at the moment. I'm going to use one of mine as an example through this entire video. One of the ones I wrote here, this was from sometime in July last month. One of the things that was bothering me at the moment was a lot of people were telling me that I am kind of closed off from the world. And that is true. I do kind of have a barrier when you meet me in person. It's no secret. You'll meet me and you'll see it. But for each of the points that you made, you want to write a little blurb about why you think that is. So for this to be as effective as possible, you have to be honest with yourself. I'm not going to read exactly what I freaking wrote here, but I'm just going to make something up right now. Like, I can be extremely closed off because the grass is green. The grass is green because of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll because of, I don't know. This is such a shitty example. I'm horrible with actually explaining things. Once you feel like you've come to a conclusion with that, you want to summarize everything that you just wrote and your entire stream of consciousness and answer to your question and create an affirmation out of that. I was writing about recent experiences that are triggering this concept in my head, and the affirmation that I came up with was, I am valuable despite the fact that people may possibly hate, dislike, despise, or disagree with me. That is definitely one of my weaknesses. I am closed off because deep down I am not being vulnerable because I fear that people may disagree with me, which morally doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Moral of the story, step 1, make a whole list of shit that's bothering you. Step 2, work every single one of those points out in at least a paragraph, stream of consciousness. You want to get to the bottom of whatever's causing that root emotional attachment to why you're bothered by a certain situation. Step 3 is to summarize that entire paragraph and create a personal affirmation that you can go back to help you lighten your shadow and remain the most at peace as possible. I personally let a lot of things fuck with my head on a daily basis, so doing this really fucking helps me. This is definitely very powerful because these affirmations are coming from yourself. You're not reading these out of a book, you're creating these for yourself. If you do this every week, you can probably write an entire book with the amount of affirmations you create. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, check out my spiritual perspectives playlist. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Your entire list. Oh my god, did I just get a red pen on my white freaking shirt? So once, oh my god, a bug. I know that deep down, I definitely do have a hard exterior. It's kind of hard for me to vocalize things sometimes.